day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm trainer first, and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the prettiest.
Pumunta sa unahan, Marco.
Confident. Her name is
Mababasa sila din.
Isis, together with trainer Rochelle. Say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the...
Hindi, dyan ka lang. Dito na tayo.
Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Johnny. Say hello! Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why there's no king of feathers put in marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their broad flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. The term pinning may be also translated as wing-footed, since their flipper could look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because of their look.
Mamaya, huwag na tayo. Dito na lang tayo. Mainit.
Is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers.
Nood ka lang doon. Nood ka.
As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for Sea Lion Brand? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Sea Lion Brand? As you can see, their bodies covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them